Hey guys, Joe here, 690AV, 690 Garage, 690AV.com. Off-road lights. These right here, super cheap. I picked these up on Amazon, wired them in, actually wired them into the bright. That way, whenever I'm riding on the road and I'm off-road, I hit that, those things light up along with my actual headlamp itself. I get tons and tons of exposure of light, so that way I can see. Off-road lights, some people love them, some people don't care for them. I think they're awesome because I have to set up camp when I go on my moto trips, and guess what? Sometimes you got to do it at night. The more light, the better. And if you only have to do it by your front headlamp, it's not much fun. But if you can pick up a good off-road lamp, like right here, that's not too expensive and you're not going to break the bank, I'll put these in the description for you if you're looking for those. And I'm actually going to make a video and show you how I wired this up on the CRF, and if you want to do it yourself if you have one. But you can pretty much take what I did and you can modify that for just about any motorcycle that's out there. But Baja off-road lights are great so that you can see whether you're on the highway or you're hitting the trail at night. It just gives you that best exposure. That way you can see things, whether it be an animal in the road or if you're just getting in late to set up your camp. Anyway, off-road Baja lights in the description. I appreciate your time. Think about those Baja lights. You guys have a great day.